Hey, in this video, I'm going to give you my honest physical therapist opinion of Biofreeze pain relieving gel. As a physical therapist, dealing with people that have arthritis, aches and pains, torn ligaments, injured, irritated ligaments and tendons, and all kinds of other musculoskeletal injuries, people are always looking for pain relief options. And Biofreeze is a commonly available and widespread used one. So I'm going to tell you exactly how it works and if it might be right for you. My name is Dr. David Midoff, and I'm a specialist physical therapist with El Paso Manual Physical Therapy. And this channel is dedicated to helping people stay healthy, active, and mobile while avoiding unnecessary surgery, injections, and pain medications. We make videos filled with exercises, stretches, tips, and advice for a variety of problems. You can go check out our playlist to find more specific problems. Please consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of the helpful videos that we post every week. So let's answer some of our most common questions about Biofreeze. The number one question that we get is, what is it in Biofreeze that makes it feel so cold and gives that effect that it's cooling your body wherever you put this? And to answer that question, you can check it out on the label, but it's menthol. Menthol is a magic ingredient that is in Biofreeze. And menthol is made from a mint plant, and it's been around for a long, long time as an option for pain relief. It's been used in ancient times by ancient people. They figured out that by rubbing mint leaves on your body, it gives that cooling effect. And with modern science, we've been able to extract the menthol from the mint leaves and create products like Biofreeze. So the next question I get is there any research behind menthol and things like Biofreeze as being effective as a pain reliever? And the answer to this is yes. There's tons of research out there showing that menthol products like Biofreeze can effectively reduce pain when compared to another option. There's tons of research studies out there that have different comparisons, and they do find that consistently menthol can reduce pain when it's rubbed on an area that hurts. Now, specifically, I get asked, is this good for arthritis, like knee arthritis, shoulder, hip, or back arthritis? And the answer is yeah, you can put this on for sure. And this is pretty safe stuff since it's made from menthol. There are other ingredients on there. You can take a look at it. If you look up on the website, you'll find all the ingredients as well. And it's actually pretty natural stuff. There isn't any crazy ingredients in here that I would question a lot. And you can check it out for yourself. I mean, it's so safe that on the directions here, it says adults and children 2 years of age or older are allowed to use this. So that's pretty cool. There's no concern over kids using this. And I think the concern with children 2 years and younger is that they're going to lick it off and ingest it, put it in their mouth. So that's the concern with them. That doesn't say that on the bottle here, but that's what I would think of, is you don't want to eat this stuff and you don't want babies eating this stuff either. Now, the next question I get is are there any side effects to using Biofreeze? And my answer to that is it's rare. The only side effects that I've heard of is people getting way too intense burning, cooling sensations, because things can get so cool that it starts to burn. I know that's a weird thing, but if you've ever experienced it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And it's likely from using too high of a dosage, and everybody's different. Some people have more sensitivity to menthol than others, so you have to experiment and try it out and see what works best for you. Rashes, redness, irritation are the only other side effects that I've seen as well. But I've never had a patient come back and tell me that Biofreeze set them off into an anaphylactic episode where they had to go to the hospital and get special medication because they're having that severe of an allergic reaction. So I've seen it to be pretty safe with my clients. I've used it myself in past years, and it's pretty effective at giving you that cooling sensation. Now, one thing to note about this is it is pretty instantaneous. So as soon as you put it on, you'll feel cooling right away. So this is pretty good for quick, short-term instant relief. It may not take away the pain 100%. This is just supposed to take the edge off. And please understand that if you're dealing with something like arthritis or torn cartilage, some chronic problem that's developed over months, years, or possibly even decades, this is not going to cure it. You're just looking at getting some short-term pain relief. And this is a good option versus using some sort of prescription strength pain medication or going to the doctor for an injection or even using over-the-counter medications that are known to have dangerous side effects like damage to your kidneys, liver, and other important organs. So let's look at how to use this. Instructions simply say, rub a thin film over the affected areas not more than 4 times daily, and a massage is not necessary. So I guess you can massage it if you want, but it's not necessary. And just to show you what it looks like, This is the green one. They do have a colorless looking one as well. And you could smell it. It smells kind of minty, has that strong smell. And so I've just gotten a little dollop there, maybe not more than an inch, a couple of centimeters long. And let's say my elbow hurt. Whew, you just rub it in like so. And that's it. And I can feel it instantly cooling. It's cooling my hand that I rubbed it in with. And it doesn't hurt. It's not super intense, but you can feel a cooling effect right away. Now this does have an odor because of the menthol in it. It's not odorless like some of the other creams out there. So that might be a turnoff for some people, as they don't want to smell like this stuff. Some people are really sensitive to the smell of this too, but it's a trade-off. You have to figure out if this is worth it for you. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give us a thumbs up, and please share this with somebody else who needs to see this, who's looking for some sort of pain relief. And friends, if you're looking for more long-term root problem fixes, we've got tons of videos in our channel. Go to our playlists tab in YouTube here and check out all our playlists for specific body problems. Thanks so much for watching, friends, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.